How to turn off reminder email notifications on Instagram. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn off reminder email notifications on Instagram. It's so easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Instagram, go to your profile and click on those three lines up there. Now click on setting and click on notifications. Now click on from Instagram. Now click on email notifications and you can turn off feedback emails, reminder emails. Now turn off reminder emails on Instagram. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like the video don't forget to subscribe and like.